This is the one that we had at Dorval. Here's the control panels. Really awesome, this layout. Had the pleasure of running trains on it a few times. Really great. The old Supercontinental. All those cars are for an auto rack loading area. And then we have a grain elevator. And this part seems to be new. These silos are absolutely new. Probably for a cement plant. Really great. And again, the cool part, here they have the cotton batting to make it look like it's smoke. And got it like this lit sign on this factory building. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely huge layout. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.